In this video, we are going to see how we can install the SQL 2019 according to the settings that is required to install SAP Business One afterwards. So first of all, just go to the folder where your setup is and just double click it. Click yes. And after that, just click on the installation and click on the new SQL Server standalone installation. Click next. I accept the license terms. Click next. Click next. It will install some setup files. And before moving forward, it is advised to turn off the Windows firewall. So let me just quickly do it. Just go to the control panel and we will do two settings. First of all, we'll click on the network and internet, network and sharing centers. First of all, we click on the system and security, Windows Defender firewall, turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Just go in here and turn off both of these settings. Click OK. And after that, we will just write antivirus, virus and threat protection. Just go in here. It shows us the Windows security settings. We can scroll down, virus and threat protection settings, no actions needed. Just click on the manage settings and turn off the real-time protection. So that's some of the settings we need to make in order to continue smoothly. Let's close out of here, click next. And here we will only enable what is essential to use in the SAP Business One software. So database engine services, that's it. Click next. We will keep it to default instance. Click next. And under the collation, we can click on customize and we can design it in different languages if we want to, but I'll just keep it to as it is if your language is English. And let's keep this all options to automatic. Click next. We'll always install it in mix mode and the password we will keep it very simple, 1234. Confirm password 1234. Add the current user, that's it. It will take some time to add. Click next. And then it will show you the summary of all the options that you have selected. Click install. And once the installation is done, you will see this status report that is shown, which shows that every single app is successfully installed or not. So all of them are successfully installed. Click close. Click close. And after that, if you want to install SAP Business One, make sure you restart your PC. So this is how you can completely install SQL Server 2019 on your Windows 11 PC. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.